Frustrated with oily, broken vodka sauce? Imagine achieving restaurant-quality creaminess effortlessly, every time. The AI chef reveals the game-changing secret to transforming spicy vodka pasta from a culinary gamble to a guaranteed triumph. Welcome to AI Chef. Let's unlock this culinary masterpiece together. First, olive oil. More than just preventing sticking, it's our flavor amplifier. This ensures our aromatics bloom, building a rich, delicious base. What's next? Flavor, flavor, flavor. Garlic and onion. The unbeatable foundation of countless dishes. Sautéing them gently unlocks fragrant oils, preventing any harsh, bitter notes. But how do we maximize their flavor? Red pepper flakes. For that signature spicy kick. Cooking them directly in the oil unleashes their full potential, distributing heat evenly. The question is, how do we avoid burning them and ruining the flavor? Vodka. Now for the magic. It deglazes the pan, rescuing every bit of flavorful browning. Beyond that, it adds a unique, subtle tang that balances richness. But what happens if we skip this step? Tomato paste, cooked down to intensify sweetness and umami. This prevents a raw, acidic taste and builds a deeply complex flavor foundation. Exactly what does this step do for the final dish? Crushed tomatoes. Adding body and more sweetness. Simmering melds and deepens the flavors, creating a luxurious sauce. Are all crushed tomatoes truly equal? Let's see. While the sauce simmers, let's cook our penne pasta al dente. Don't forget to reserve that starchy pasta water, it's liquid gold for chefs. But why is it so vital? Prepare to find out. Okay, we're prepped. We've arrived at the single most crucial step. This is where the real magic happens, a secret that will revolutionize how you make this dish. Pay close attention, because you're about to discover the game-changing secret to impossibly creamy vodka sauce. Emulsifying the pasta water with the vodka-infused tomato paste before adding the cream. This prevents curdling, creating a perfectly velvety sauce that clings to every strand. This precise move elevates spicy vodka pasta from good to extraordinary. A must-have in your culinary toolkit. Seriously. Now, gently stir in the heavy cream and Parmesan cheese. See how the sauce clings perfectly? That's the undeniable result of emulsifying, creating a glaze that's irresistibly luxurious. Add the cooked pasta to the sauce, tossing to coat. Add a little pasta water, a tablespoon at a time, to reach your perfect consistency. Watch as the pasta absorbs that velvety, flavorful sauce, creating the ultimate bite. Finally, stir in chopped basil for that fresh, aromatic finish. This brightens the dish, balancing the richness of the sauce and adding one last layer of flavor. A chef's kiss, indeed. And there you have it. A glorious spicy vodka pasta, undeniably bursting with creamy richness and fiery flavor. All thanks to mastering the simple, powerful secret of emulsifying pasta water before adding cream. That's the AI chef difference. Restaurant quality results in your kitchen, fast. Find the complete recipe below. Hit like if you found this valuable. Subscribe for more culinary insights weekly. And tell us what the AI chef should unlock next in the comments. See you soon.